It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 114. We have function y is equal to square root of natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x. If we have a square root, rewrite this function in exponent form. So let's do that. So this is equal to natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x to the power of 1/2, right? Now find the derivative of this function. So y prime is equal to, we have applied the power rule first, right? So 1/2 times natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2, right? Because 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Times, we have to multiply the derivative of the expression inside of the parentheses. That's chain rule, right? So derivative of natural log x, that's 1/x, plus derivative of e to the 1 minus 2x. For the exponential function, we have to rewrite whole of this expression and multiply by the expression here, right? Chain rule, right? So 1 minus 2x, the derivative is negative 2. So far so good. So let's simplify this. In denominator, we have 2 times. Here, natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x to the power of a negative 1/2, right? So it's going to be square root natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x, right? And numerator, we have 1/x minus 2 times e to the 1 minus 2x. And we don't want to leave our answer in complex fraction form. This is a fraction, right? All of this expression is a fraction, and we have another fraction in our numerator, right? We want to simplify this. So multiply by x here and x here. Then that's going to be equal to x times 1/x, that's 1, minus 2 e to the 1 minus 2x times x, that's 2x e to the 1 minus 2x, over 2x square root of natural log x plus e to the 1 minus 2x. That's our derivative of the function y.